Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Megan Risica and I'm a fashion and lifestyle vlogger. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today I'm doing a Trader Joe's late fall haul, kind of preparing for the Thanksgiving season. As you can see behind me, I have a lot of good stuff stacked up. So let's get started with today's haul. Look at all of these goodies. So I'm going to start over here and work my way to the left. The first item that I have here is the gluten-free breaded shrimp. I just bought this to throw on salads. I thought this would be a good item to keep around, keep in the freezer. I also grabbed another butternut squash mac and cheese. Again, this is one of my favorites. It's so delicious. Again, a good kind of like, for me, a lunch. I can eat it a couple times. Really good item. I also grabbed, this is groundbreaking, rigatoni noodles. Again, I'm gonna do like a butternut squash kind of meal, and I bought rigatoni for it. I also grabbed the Trader Joe's maple streusel bread. I'm going to make French toast with this. Look how yummy that looks. Moving over here, I got some sun-dried tomatoes. Again, nothing really groundbreaking here. I did pick up this seasonal item, which is salted caramel flavored hot chocolate, which I am super excited about. I also grabbed the butternut squash mac and cheese bites. Again, similar to the butternut squash mac and cheese, this is like an appetizer, which should be really good. All right, continuing to move over, I picked up pumpkin bagels and the beloved pumpkin cheesecake. I'm so excited for this one. This is a family favorite. Some green beans, nothing groundbreaking here. I absolutely love the Brussels sprout saute kit. Again, this is one of my fall favorites. So delicious, so I'm really excited about this one. I also picked up a box of cornbread stuffing. Again, nothing really groundbreaking with this, but this is so much better than stovetop, so I highly recommend picking this one up. Moving over, I got the Harvest apple salad. Again, another one of my favorites, just great with grilled chicken or salmon, a great little meal to keep on deck. I also picked up baby spinach. Again, not super groundbreaking with that one. All right, moving over here, I'm doing a charcuterie board. So I picked up some Gouda cheese that's made with goat's milk. That kind of was a mistake, but we'll see. And then fontanina. What else is this? Cheddar and Gruyere. Parmesan, that's not for the cheese board. Ricotta cheese, again, not for the cheese board. Boursin, that is for the cheese board. Some salami, some prosciutto, this like cheese party tray. What else did I get? This, what one is this? Blueberry goat cheese, yum. Some blackberries, again for decoration. And that's all for like the cheese tray, I think. I was actually really surprised that they had a couple of these items left. One is the pumpkin rolls. Those are usually, they sell out pretty quick. And the other is the non-dairy pumpkin oat beverage. Again, I put this in my coffee with my pumpkin spice, which is really good. Moving over here, I just got some gumdrop grapes. I don't really know how those taste. I'm confused. They're just like a normal dark grape. I also got the roasted cauliflower and orzo. I'm gonna put this in the freezer because I don't think I'm gonna have time to eat it this week, even though it's best by 11:14. Still some time to eat it. I just want to hold up and wait on that. The last few items are not all that groundbreaking. Some bacon, heavy whipping cream, the garlic naan crackers, a butternut squash for my dinner I'm planning, a spaghetti squash, and then this seasonal item, which is the balsamic glazed bone and beef short ribs. I'm gonna make this for my family. They're coming over. I'm just curious how big these short ribs are, so I am gonna open this package just to see like how much one package can feed someone, because it was like $25. So yeah, I'm curious to see how much beef is in one package. Oh wow, so there's like 4 in here. So I'll probably buy like 1 more to feed my family, but not too bad. That looks pretty good. I also just about always pick up some organic pumpkin for the dogs to just put this in their food. This is a new to me item. This is the organic artichoke pasta sauce. Again, new to me. Then I also got the Trader Joe's spice cider. Again, I love to like warm this up and have some hot spice cider. You could put some rum or something fun in it, but that's just not the way I do. I like it plain. But yeah, a couple of seasonal, I don't know about this one, but seasonal-ish items. The last thing is this starfruit water. New to me. We'll see how we feel about it. Well, I just kind of went through this haul very fast for almost $200 spent. That was a really quick little haul. But anyways, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you next week for more Trader Joe's hauls, fashion, some decorating. 'Tis the season. Bye, everyone.